How do you see like Gen AI shaping the future of like say precision medicine and treatment innovations?
So that's a great question, right? And I think that it's sort of a full stack innovation for everything, right?
Mm,
Like if you think about what precision medicine is, right? Is it's proactive rather than reactive, it's personalized rather than public, and it's predictive rather than reductive, right? Take those three things, right? So you can know which patients are going to get sick or which patients are going to have an incidence of disease based upon a combination of several data points, starting off with their biological data, which genome exposure, but genome, proteome, etc., but also like their clinical data, their environmental data, right? So that's the predictive part of it. So that's then you can't just and then you proactively try to prevent that disease from happening by personalizing therapy, right? It's not a far stretch to think about two things that are happening concurrently, right? One is the increasing personalization in biotech with like
mm,
mRNA and gene therapies and even gene editing, but
mm,
also this AI development of faster approaches to do these things, right? So in the
mm,
future, and again, it's not possible, it's definitely possible to have like a Coke machine, right? Basically, you enter in a person's information and you press, whether you want like regular Coke or Diet Coke or vanilla, which vanilla Coke is terrible, by the way, vanilla Coke, and you get a drug or a
uh,
molecule personalized to that individual patient, right? I mean, it sounds science fiction, but if you think about the component parts of it, right, it's not.
mm,
You need accurate prediction that this person is going to get sick because you don't want to give medications to someone.
mhm,
But then you can have tailored, if like tailored drugs to particular genes that like decrease your risk of cardiovascular disease, etc., etc. And then you need a delivery mechanism, and a lot of these delivery mechanisms are becoming oral, right? So you can have mRNA medication in an oral form that's specifically made for you. Now,
mm,
you tell me that this is science fiction. It's not, because
mm,
there have been personalized medicines created for rare diseases, like
mm,
with names of patients on and these are severe diseases, right? For example,
mm.
girl had like spinal muscular dystrophy due to a mutation in a gene. A drug was created specifically for her, and she does well now, right? I'm just telling you that this is possible to scale, right, with
Yeah.
AI, because you can screen lots of combinations quickly, and you can rapidly generate and iterate novel molecular design for a particular patient.